Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to merge cell in Excel. So let's start this in Excel and you can see here the one word, the merge cell. When I select here the middle cell, you can see here the formula bar showing the name. Okay, when I click on the first cell, there is a not showing any name. Third cell, not showing the any name. Okay, because this name I write in this cell. Okay, but it's showing the outside other cell also. Okay, but it's not merge. So I select the all three cell and go to the home tab. In alignment group have a merge option, merge and center. Just click on drop down arrow and click on the merge cell and see here. Now you can see the three cells become one cell. It's merge all cell. Okay, now when you click on it, the formula bar showing the name. So if you want to more cell want to merge, just select the simply range of cell those you want to merge. Same as go to the alignment, click on the merge option and click on the merge cell. Okay. See here, you can border apply also on this. I click on the outside border. See, this all cell is merged in one. Okay. So apply here border also. See. Okay. And if you want to unmerge, okay, again select the same cell and click on this option and click on the unmerge cell and see again. So all cell is unmerged. Same as here, click on the unmerge. See, now it's unmerged. Okay. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.